Hey everyone, it's the founder of Developers Academy, and in this video I would like to show you how we can use a third-party library, an open source library, to create some custom alert view and alert controller, right? And at the end of this video, I hope that you will enjoy this video and you will join Developers Academy today. So now here's how our project will look like. We'll have a show error alert like this. This is now usually when we use a normal alert in iOS, we'll use UI alert view or UI alert view controller, right? But with this one, we'll use a very customized one. And this one looks really nice, and you can customize it in very different ways. Okay, and if we want to have an alert view with a text field in this one, and we can also do this, alright? So that is exactly what we're going to do. The first thing I want you to do is go right down the link right down below, download the starter project, or if you're watching this on YouTube or other website, then go down the description link and download the starter project and we'll get started, okay? Alright, I hope that you download the starter project. Now, let's maybe walk you through this starter project a little bit. This one very simple. We have two buttons to showcase two situations, two different ways we can show this alert view. And the project we're going to use is SCL alert view. This one is written on an open source project on GitHub. I also include the link to the GitHub project for you. But with this one, I already include that project inside the starter project for us. Alright, so let's go back into the view controller. In this view controller, we have two methods. Let me increase the size of the font here. The first one is show error alert. Okay, for this show error alert, we just show just this one. Okay, we just show this guy. So let's learn how to do this. First, we're going to create an alert controller. So let's do that. That's alert view controller. And that thing will use the SCL error alert, SCL alert view dot, and then for this SCL alert view, this is a default initializer. It will give you an alert view, okay? And immediately we're going to call the show error. This show error will tells that library to show the error, to show that alert view very nicely, okay? So for this show error, maybe you want to do, please enter a valid name and email, okay? Or the subtitle, we want to, actually this is the subtitle, so I will do it like that, okay? And this show error, this is maybe something like oops, okay, exclamation mark. And for that one, after that, we want it's just like this, okay? Now let's run the project right now to see how it looks like. Now we'll see that it will return an alert view controller, SCL alert view. And the reason why we want to have a constant holding that alert view is that this one also allows you to change some of the property of this alert view, okay? When we click into this, then we'll have this, oops, please enter a valid name and email. And the reason I want to do this is that later on you want to subscribe to Developers Academy, then you will need your name and email, okay? So that is that, done. Alright. So it can also allow you to change some of the property. How about we want to change the title, something like, okay, we want to change some title, alert view controller, okay? And then we want to set the title. This method inside here is the set title, this title, okay? And again, this one you want to shortcut the learning curve for you. If you want to find out more about this, check out the GitHub project or the file is this one, okay? How about we change it to something like, hey, you can do it, okay? And then we will create like that. Run the project once again, and we'll show this error. Then we'll see that instead of oops, it's show, hey, you can do this, okay? Very simple, right? Just 2 lines of code, very simple. Now, how about maybe you want to show an alert view also has a text field, okay? So let's do this with this subscribe button. This IB action method already linked to this subscribe to Developers Academy monthly. Okay, so I can do something like this. Let newsletter controller, and I will use SCL alert view, this one, the default initializer, and then we want to add a text field into this one. So I want to do newsletter controller dot add text field. Okay, add text field, and this one gives us a title. You can do just a text field, but we want to have a title. Maybe you want to do like your email address. Okay, you'd like me to send you new tutorials to your email, then you will enter that. And then maybe you want to do something like newsletter.show info, because this one is an info block. Okay, just the way that the designer, the developer of this open source project created like that. Okay, you can use it something like the title or subtitle. Okay, or you can use the title and some other things. How about I will show you this. Okay, the title in this one, maybe I want to do something like DA monthly. Okay, Developers Academy monthly, and the subtitle I want to do something like maybe something like the best learning experience. All right, it's not the best experience, right? How about the close button? Okay, and then the close button, maybe you want to subscribe. The duration in this one, you will show it how many seconds in this one. So maybe you want to just show 30 seconds. If you want to show it really long until the user actually click the subscribe button, you can show it 100 seconds or even more than that. Okay, doesn't matter really much. Okay, the color style, this one you will have to confirm goes to the GitHub link. Okay, I will use this color. This is hexadecimal A429FF and OF. Alright. Now if you want to go to find out more information about this, then go to the link inside the folder that you just downloaded. Okay. And now let's run this one to see how it looks like. Very simple, just 3 lines of code. We have subscribe. Okay. With this one, use this color, which is the A4 one is purplish. Okay, and you see that this one is a little bit too long, so I want to do something like DA. Okay. Alright, very nice. Hey everyone, it's the founder of Developers Academy. In this video, I would love to invite you to Developers Academy monthly. Now, I know that as we start out, we often in time didn't have any experience, didn't have any programming experience. But so that's why we seek out to courses or programs out there. But the problem is those courses and programs, they didn't offer you the whole experience. Maybe they will teach you the core concepts, but after that, if you want to be real-world apps, after that you want to learn more advanced technologies and skills in iOS, then you are left alone. I think that there's a better way for you to doing this. There's a better experience for you to learn, to cut your learning curve so that you jump ahead. Now, before doing that, I want to introduce you to the successful mindset at Developers Academy that we teach our students. I want you to commit to learning. I know that as you're here, you're so committed to learn, and I honor you for doing that. So that's why I want to give you the best strategic curriculum ever. Period. This will be the best learning experience for you. You will be real world apps that are so beautiful and very smartly implemented. And I want you to consistently learn. I want to give you consistent education every month, every week, and as new technologies roll out, as new concepts and new ideas in iOS roll out, I want to teach you that. And best of all, I think the best thing is that you'll be able to access to mentor, to someone who already knows doing this or who already have some experience in iOS that teach you, that give you advices, that when you are stuck, that you will have me as your mentor to help you to get out of stuck. So now, our program, you will be able to access when you enroll in Developers Academy monthly beneath here. You'll be able to access all of our courses. You will be able to be real-world apps with real-world tutorials, step-by-step video tutorials. We have hundreds of those, and as Each month we'll roll out new courses for you. Now, even if you don't have any experience or you already have some, we have courses for you. If you don't have experience, we'll teach you to how to program in Swift, and then we'll build some simple apps and we'll move on to more advanced ones. If you already have some experience, we have core concepts, things like table view, collection view, animation. If you want to build social networking apps, we have courses for you. If you want to build stuff that fetch data from APIs, parsing JSON, downloading data from internet, we have courses for you. But the best of all is that these apps are real-world apps. These apps are carefully designed and brilliantly implemented. We want you to build beautiful apps and smartly implemented apps. Write beautiful code. And now, these courses are always up to date. We will roll out new courses every month for you. And as iOS is updated every year and every quarter, even right now, then we will update our courses for you so that you have the most up-to-date technology, the most up-to-date skills and knowledge out there, so that you can build most up-to-date apps. How cool is that, right? You can access to all of our courses and tutorials everywhere, anytime, whether it's on your iPhone, iPad, or on your MacBook, whatever you want, whenever you want to learn. Those courses are there for you. Right now we have 16 courses, and next month and every month we'll roll out new courses for you. You can access all current courses and future courses as you are a subscriber. Now, these courses will be rolled out every month for you, and this is, I think, the best way, the fastest way for you to jump the learning curve to take you from here to here. You see that we even have more courses for you than I can even fit on this screen, and every week, every month, I will roll out new courses for you so that you can update new knowledge and new skills. But anytime, at any point in time that you didn't find that you learned the most, that you didn't find satisfied to what you learned, then you can cancel anytime. No harm, no foul, no risk here. I just want to bring you the best, the most affordable, and the best experience in learning iOS development. Now, with these courses, we offer to teach you the whole catalog of our courses, but often these courses are offered at $200 or even more each course. But I think that a better way for you to learn, there's a better and more affordable way for you to learn, to continue this journey, to consistently learn new skills. So I don't think that $200 each course is the best way for you to do this. I think that there's a better way. I think that there's a more affordable education for you, because I want you to commit to learning. I want you to continue consistently learn new things. I want you to be able to access to mentors. I want you to be able to learn the best knowledge and skills in a very strategic curriculum. So that's why when you enroll in Developers Academy online monthly today, it's just $27 a month. Just $27 a month. $27 a month, and you can access to all of our courses. You can access to all of the current courses and future courses. And again, we will roll out new courses for you every month, every week, and you can access me as your mentor. But before you click the button right down below, can I do one more thing for you? And actually, two more things. Can I give you some bonuses? First, I want to give you access to our private Facebook group. Here we have been building a community of students, very committed learners just like you. So this is the best chance for you to partner with other students, with other developers, so that you guys can partner together, build the best apps out there. And this really is priceless. There's no better place for you to partner with someone with the same mindset just like you and have success together. So I want to give you access to our private Facebook group, and this is really priceless to me. But again, I want you to be able to access to me as your mentor, to ask me anything. So that's why, as you are a subscriber, I will want you to ask me any question forum. And this one, usually we charge our students $5,000 a year to access to me to learn new things and to ask any questions. But because this has to be the best learning experience for you, so I want you to be able to access to me anytime, to ask me any questions. So click the button right down below, and I see you over the other side. This is your time. This is the time you decide to learn the best technologies, learn the best skills, build the best apps. This is the time for you to commit to learning and know that you are so committed to learning. So this is the time for you to have the best learning experience, to be able to build real world apps that are beautifully designed and implemented brilliantly. So click the button right down below, enrolling in Developers Academy monthly today, and I see you over the other side.